We delay our dreams. We stay silent when
Hi guys! Ako pala si So, short for Bunso. Tara, sama ka na. Ito pa rin ang ating pangarap.
this is day 15 of 365 journey, creating the best version of myself. Kung may pangarap ka, tara, ito pa rin natin. Let's go! Fear. Fear is something we can feel. Before trying something new, before taking step wherever taken before, or before facing something we've been avoiding for so long. Sometimes, fear becomes so familiar that we can start adjusting our life around it. We delay our dreams. We stay silent when we should speak. We stay comfort when we are called to grow. But here is the gentle truth. Fear does not disappearing by avoiding it. Fear fades when you face it. The Bible reminds us in Isaiah 41 verse 10, "Do not dismay, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and I will help you." God does not promise that we will never feel afraid again. But He promised that we will never face our fear alone. Courage is not absence of fear. Courage is choosing to move forward, even while your hands are shaking, even your heart is uncertain. Every strong person you admire once stood exactly where you are now, afraid, insecure, hesitant. The difference is he took one small step away. Maybe it's a conversation you've been avoiding. Maybe it's a decision you've been delaying. Maybe it's a dream you have been too scared to start. You don't have to do everything at once. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be a perfect. You just have to begin. In Joshua 1:9, God says, "Be strong and courage. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go." That means, even in your fear, God walks beside you. Even in your uncertain, He gives you strength. He gives you strength. So today, try this gentle challenge. Do one thing that scares you, just once. One small step you've been putting off. Send a message, make a call, start a task, take the first move. Because growth begins on the other side of fear. Let this be your reminder. You are braver than you think. You are stronger than you feel. And with God beside you, you will never be walk alone. Take the step, even when it's scary. Especially when it's scary. Stay positive mind and stay humble. See you tomorrow.